Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So here I'm back doing the EURUSD chart analysis as usual. So let's get started. First of all, we are not having any news into the market today. Most likely, we can see the market accumulating, not moving much. So let's move to the charts now. So this is the monthly chart, and what we see is that multiple things marked here, but the ultimate thing is this particular level being tapped by the market after taking this high. So I'm still anticipating that we are going into the upside direction into the monthly levels till this equal highs. Now let's move to the weekly. As we move into the weeklies, what we see is that there was one FVG, the price is sweeping the previous lows, and currently we are within this candles big candles range. So nothing much clear though. So let's move to the dailies. As we move into the dailies, the thing becomes little clear because we can see this volume balance area along with the BPR showing strong resistance to the price as we had anticipated before, and the price moved into the downward side. But currently we have tapped this level, but we are still away from this order block. uh, the sign is a little bit bullish because we are following this FVG. So simplifying things, we are following this FVG and the price can move higher. So most likely we will be looking for the upside trade here because the major time frame is in the bullish direction. So let's move to the 4 hours now. As we move into the 4 hour, what we need for the confirmation that the price is going to go higher is the disrespect of this particular 4-hour FVG. So this will be a significant point because everything sitting here is a kind of liquidity we are having. So if this area is disrespected by the market, most likely we are going to go higher about 60 points above till this level of the flip which happened into the daily time frame. So I'm still waiting for the price to disrespect this level for the confirmation of the bullish bias. Yet what we have right now is this liquidity being taken by the market. So currently I'm not sure about the trend. If we are going to disrespect it, then only I'll be bullish. Otherwise, I'm still bearish into the market, and maybe this low will be taken by the market as a vulnerable low, and then only we can go higher. So let's move to the 1 hour. Okay. So in the 1 hour, what we see is that we don't have any kind of FVG in this structure, which is a sign that the price is not much bullish, because if it was really bullish, it could have sprung up with strong FVGs, which is not happening right now. So I'm still indecisive regarding the trend unless and until we fail this 4 hour structure. So let's move to the 15 minutes. So this is the 15-minute chart, and what we see is, let's move to the 5-minute redefined bias. So this is the Asia session. What we see is, and most likely, even in London session, we see that the price didn't take any kind of liquidity in the Asia session. The price moved down. In the New York session too, we didn't see any kind of liquidity taken by the market, though in the higher side, you will see that the price did take liquidity, trapped the buyers, and then moved into the downward side. But apart from this, that the session liquidity is not being taken by the market. So now I'm anticipating that most likely we are going to go higher. The price is going to manipulate the session, and then we are going to go into the higher direction. That is somewhere I'm anticipating that if this kind of move is actually it actually happens in the market, uh then only it will be something which it is going to take the liquidity of Asia, and then we are going to go higher, disrespect this level. So this will be kind of a strong confluence for me for the price to move into the further upside direction. Apart from that, I'll be looking for the reaction within this range of the market. Till then, do write me into the comments that what are your bias and how are you seeing the market today. So this is pretty much it. Do write me into the comments and happy trading.